Hey guys, welcome back to PC 911. I got a little tip for you. I have here a HP Envy Curve 34 inch. That's basically dead. Customer sending it back for repair, and we just had to remove the hard drive. And it kind of stumped us, so I thought I'd put this out there. The videos that I saw online, you take these little rubber covers off, you get the screws, and in most of the videos, this thing just pops right off. That was not the case. We tried doing that, yanking the heck out of it, would not come off. We saw another video where it had this label back here, and they pulled that label off, and there were screws there, which we did. But this is what, if this is happening to you, we peeled this label off right here, just this white one. This other one was there, and it looked so perfect that it didn't seem like it was a label. So we pulled this one off, and we just kept, working our way around and trying to figure it out. And in the end, probably after an hour, probably embarrassed to say that, but after an hour, I dug a little deeper into, this other area. And I have not seen a video that shows that. If you're peeling this off, there's another plastic underneath. Matches up perfect to here, so it does not look like it's a label or a plastic or anything, and that's what it was. So it was really simple in the end. There's not a lot of videos out there, so I thought I'd throw this up, help anybody out that needs some help on this model. That's an HP 34 Envy Curve. Thanks for watching.